Hello everyone, this is a quick little video in case you are having problems either signing up yourself or if somebody else is trying to sign up under you. I know some people have had a problem with getting the correct country to show. So what I want to show you here is something that may be hindering your progress on that. When you go to the Watkins 1868 website and you go to the consultant that you wish to join under, you will see this page here, all right, which should show the consultant that you wish to join under plus all of their information. Now you can either click on join now, which I think a lot of people jump to right away, but the first step you need to do is up here and you see the flag for either USA or Canada. Unfortunately, this is a good thing and a bad thing. This was to make sure that people signed up under the right country, but unfortunately, the way it's kind of set up, a lot of people miss this kind of step, and it can lock them into the country, making it hard to join up later. So what you want to do first is click on this. If let's just say you are in Canada, okay? Click on this, change it to Canada, and now it's going to put you into the Canadian site. Okay, it knows that you're in Canada. Now you can click on register. Okay, and you don't want to go into here. You want to go join Watkins as a consultant. Okay, and then once you do, it tells you here you're on the Canadian site. Scroll on down, enter all your information, and when you scroll on down, you're going to be able to see that it's set for Canada. Okay, and then you can put in, your provinces and everything else. Okay, so that's if you're in Canada. Again, you notice that when you go into here, like it's not going to show you USA. All right, so what a lot of people are finding, because it does default to the USA. So I'm just going to show you that real quick. If you just went right on here and kind of went right into register to join as a consultant, you're going to click on this to join as a consultant. You start filling out your information, and as you get down here to the United States, it's not going to let you select Canada. All right, and that's because you have to do it up here on the flag first. All right, so that should help you get started and set up. If you still need further help, you can contact your sponsor, whoever you're trying to join under, or feel free to contact myself. I will put my email in the comments. And you can also let me know if you're trying to join up under me or if you're trying to join up under somebody else. I can direct you on how to do that. All right, I hope that helped. Have a great day.